All right, tech fans, today we're diving into the big, bold moves of MicroStrategy, a company that's making headlines with its ambitious Bitcoin escapade. So grab your popcorn because it's getting crypto crazy. Once upon a time, MicroStrategy was your typical geeky software company specializing in data analytics. But then CEO Michael Saylor decided to throw a plot twist that would make any Hollywood scriptwriter proud. Back in 2020, due to the COVID lockdowns and ridiculously low interest rates, Saylor had a eureka moment, pivoting from boring software to grabbing Bitcoin with both hands. Fast forward to today, and it's clearer than the clearest HD screen that this strategy has cemented MicroStrategy's fame, if not its fortune. Now for today's headline, MicroStrategy has just announced yet another mega Bitcoin purchase, valued at $101 million. That's 1,170 BTC, picked up at an average of $94,004 per Bitcoin. While that may sound like they've been raiding piggy banks, it's actually part of a grand weekly Bitcoin buying spree orchestrated by Saylor himself. This move is consistent with their ongoing Bitcoin or bust strategy, which has seen the company snag an impressive grand total of 447,470 Bitcoins. At today's bonkers Bitcoin price of $101,832, Saylor's stash is edging over a whopping $45.5 billion, which, I'm sure you'll agree, is enough to buy everyone's morning coffee, and then some. It's not all rainbows and rocket ships to the moon for MicroStrategy, though. Sure, the company's stock price is up more than 500% year to date, giving early shareholders something to laugh about, all the way to their lengthy retreats on private islands. But the strategy has its set of storm clouds looming on the horizon. As the biggest publicly traded hodler of the crypto, MicroStrategy is now a bit like the designated driver in a car full of Bitcoin bananas. If the price of Bitcoin were ever to take a nosedive rather than its current skyrocket, MicroStrategy might find itself at the business end of a roller coaster ride without any seatbelts, highly leveraged and risking overvaluation limbo. Interestingly, MicroStrategy isn't alone in this high-stakes crypto adventure. Making some regional noise is Japan-based Metaplanet, which is on a mission to acquire its own treasure trove of 10,000 Bitcoins using cutting-edge strategies. To add a new layer to the enigma, MicroStrategy's big bucks Bitcoin goal stretches into the year 2025, where they aim to skim through the tricky investment waters with their 21-21 plan to reel in $21 billion in equity. It's a lot of dough for a company once tied to data charts rather than digital coins. So, what does all of this mean? Well, it's a high-stakes poker game where MicroStrategy has pushed a pile of chips into the center table, those chips being Bitcoin. Whether this gamble pays off remains the question on everyone's lips, but it for sure has the entire tech and investment world glued to their screens. Stay tuned because this Bitcoin saga is far from being frosty, it's just heating up. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.